So back with the Jeep Cherokee. Now that it runs, I'm going to be just cleaning it on up. There's still a few things I got to do to it mechanically, but as far as right now, I'm going to try to do what I can for the free. So it's been sitting for quite a while. It hasn't had any washes or anything like that. First thing is I'm going to get this washed on up. You know, of course, it's going to take a few washes to get it completely clean. I'll clean up the wheels as well, clean up the engine bay, probably put in back in the air intake system that it has, and then maybe within this video I'll go ahead and get that exhaust fixed, but we'll see what else we'll try to do. So this thing is all washed up, looks a whole lot better. Put air in the tires and then put in the air intake on there. Of course the paint isn't perfect. It has been sitting here, you know, no washes. And now in the engine bay, everything is looking nice. I'm about to go get the exhaust fixed this morning, but I do want to go ahead and change the oil because I don't know how many miles or how long this oil has been in the engine. So just as a safety precaution, just go ahead and change that out. Right there, have some Pennzoil high mileage synthetic oil. Now as for the exhaust, I did cut it. As you guys can tell, I cut out the part that has that unnecessary O2 sensor. I did bolt up to the catalytic converter, and then the pipe just runs down to the third catalytic converter, which that one is gutted out, and then just over there to the muffler. So that is all cut up. But basically what I want them to do is just make a little elbow just to attach the exhaust pipe, and then it should be all good to go and shouldn't have any issues with the exhaust any longer. So I'm gonna just do the oil change real quick, and then I'll be on my way to the shop. Alright guys, so I had gotten the exhaust done and actually got a lot more done than I said we would. As you can see, there's the old pipe connected to the catalytic converter, and now we got some new 2.5 inch piping, I believe. 2.5 inch piping going right on over here, brand new. Boom. Got a Flowmaster Super 10 just dumped down right there by that rear hanger. So the exhaust is still utilizing the two hangers. You got the hanger on the cross member at the transmission, and then now the hanger over here by the rear axle. So it's very clean, man. So now of course, let me go ahead and give you a cold start. So there's a new exhaust for the Jeep, guys. I think it really sounds nice, and on the outside, on the inside, it really sounds nice. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and as always, I want to catch you on the next one, man.